All right, it's blinking. I think it's going. This is the boat, and there's the motor going. Take a look. Isn't that wonderful? Just putting along here. And here's Captain Graves at the helm. Captain Graves at the helm. And here we are on beautiful 10 Mile Lake. And see if I can not drop this. Popping along. And boy, what a wonderful day. This little motor sure works nice. A little 1906 Termatt and Monahan. There you can see it right there, spinning around. Nice and quiet. Look at that little thing go, huh? Wow. What a neat deal. All right, I'm going to post this.